So that means the entire 5-pound box of Twizzlers, all the Reese's that I got for Christmas, those gotta be gone in 5 days, and I'm not throwing them out. So you know what that means. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Let me quickly go ahead and open up my bootleg LaCroix. Oh my god! Don't open up your bootleg LaCroix too close to your face. Lesson learned. Are you kidding me? Lesson not learned, apparently. Today we're going to be getting into a box of stuff from FabFitFun. This video is sponsored by FabFitFun. Thank you so very much for helping support the channel. Today we're going to be looking at some of the items from the FabFitFun Winter Edit Sale, which is just opened. If you guys do not know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription that sends a box to your door every single season. Inside of your 4 boxes a year, you'll be receiving full-size beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and wellness products, all for only $49.99 a season, but every box is guaranteed at least a $200 value. And if you would like to, on your very first box, I have a coupon code that you guys can use that will get you a $10 off your very first FabFitFun box. And that code is AlexEdit. I'll put it right here on the screen and down below in the description. But today what we're going to be getting into is items from the Edit Sale, which is a members only sale. It's like a huge flash sale where everything goes on like super discount. These items are so discounted that they tend to sell out pretty quickly. So if you'd like to go ahead and check them out, you can click that link down below. Today we're just going to take a look at some of the sampling of the mini products that they'll have on sale. Oh, that's definitely my address. Whoa. First up is this beautiful crinkled paper. Okay, so the very first thing I'm seeing in here is from Unite. This is a texturizing dry finishing spray. Oh, my apologies. This is actually a texturiza spray. That sounds super duper fancy. This is supposed to give you texture, volume, and hold, which is pretty nice, pretty snazzy, especially when you have like limp, I was gonna say noodles, but noodles are much thicker than my hair. When your hair doesn't have much volume or texture or body or why don't we take a little gander and see if it's nice. I'll go ahead and give my head a bit of a spray. It is flammable, so hopefully there's no like accidental like combustion that's gonna happen behind me. Texture. Oh, it smells good. Ha! That's some body already, folks. Oh, I honestly really do think that works. I feel like my hair has a lot more volume to it now. I like that. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I always do a giveaway with these unboxings, so I'll pick a few items from the box to give away to one of you guys. If you would like to be entered into the giveaway, go ahead and stick around to the end. I'll show you guys at the end everything that is going to be given away, and I'll also tell you guys how to enter. It's super duper easy, by the way. You don't have to do much at all. The next item here is from Lash. This is the Lash Intensive Serum, so I'm assuming this is going to make your eyelashes grow big and strong. I think I read on there that it has pumpkin cells in it, that's fun. Apparently this is supposed to help lashes appear longer, thicker, and sexier. So that is very cool. It's just a little pin that you apply like after you take off your eye makeup. I think I'm going to include this in the giveaway. I think this will be a very fun thing for one of you guys to try out. Oh, I have never seen anything quite like this before. This is from Woosh Beauty. It is a corner brush eye stamper. And you guys, this brush is something else. It says it's the first of its kind, and I guarantee it because I've never seen anything like this before. I might not be able to see anything like this because I can't get it out of packaging. This is a dual-ended brush, and one side we have a standard kind of like wide flat angle brush, but then it gets a little less standard on this side over here because, well, bam, it's like a full corner. Can you guys see that? Have you ever, I have no idea how to show this off. It's like a full V. I'm absolutely so curious about how this is supposed to work. Oh, it's for your eyeshadow. Okay, I thought this was supposed to be for eyeliner somehow, and I was like, that is one thick wing, but no, it's actually for making like a perfect clean like edge for your eyeshadow. That is very unique, very different, and I will definitely have to give this a try. Next up here we have something from Cora, and this is the Target, the defense you need when you need it. 10 packets. Ooh, pink lemonade, yummy. It looks like they are just individual little drink packets. It says to mix 1 packet in 8 to 12 ounces of water and drink directly. Oh, drink directly after physical activity and every 3 days to regularly flush out bacteria. That is unique. I don't think I've ever seen anything specifically targeted for that, so I do love me some pink lemonade though. Alrighty, the next thing I have here is Timeless. This is a 20% vitamin C serum with vitamin E and ferulic acid. This is an anti-aging treatment. It says it has like the maximum concentration of ingredients I guess they're allowed to use. Oh, it's really cute too. Okay, so this is the little bottle. It says you're supposed to shake it well before you use it, but I think the bottle itself is super duper cute. It's kind of like a soft plastic. Very nice. I do like vitamin C serums. I think they are really effective for the skin, so I think I'm going to pass this along in the giveaway as well. All right, next up we have this very lovely cylindrical cardboard tube. Oh, it's like a push pop, like a Fun Sun's push pop. I was wondering why I was feeling spikes. Whoa, that's awesome. Okay, so the next thing in here is a BKR Beaker, the beauty essential that'll change the way you hydrate forever. I got mine in this style, Spiked Muse, and it's literally like, it's spiky. I love how this feels. Oh my gosh, I kind of want to like roll my back on it, but the inside's glass and that probably wouldn't end well. So this is a water bottle, and they say that people drink out of their water bottle like 10 times more than they would drink out of regular water bottles, probably because it's spiked and it feels really cool. It also kind of looks like a weapon. I think this is pretty awesome. I definitely do not have a water bottle that looks quite like this. It reminds me very much of like, is it Bowser? It has all the spikes on the back of the shell. I'm definitely getting like Bowser vibes from this, or like a medieval torture device. Whichever one, both of them I think are cool. Smells like nothing because it's an empty water bottle. I can't stop doing this. This could be a problem though in public. Oh, okay, so the next thing we have in here I've actually received before. These are a little set from Julep. This is the Be Strong line, and I think it's like an oxygen kind of repairing nail treatment. So this is just like a little trio of 3 different treatments here. I think these are pretty nice. I have tried out the ones that I received before, so I will definitely be passing these along to somebody else so they can try them out too. Okay, next in here we have another little box, and this just says seed.com. I wonder if there are actually like seeds in here, which if so, I need to really work on how to not kill plants. Ooh. It is not actual seeds for planting. This is a daily symbiotic probiotic supplement. Oh, I'm really excited about this. This seems super cool. I don't think I'm constantly functioning like on all cylinders. I read the back of this and it says for your microbiome, and I read it and I thought it said for your microwave, and I was like, man, they really misspelled microwave. So these are the seed capsules. They come in really pretty like frosted green glass. Ooh, they're green too. That's fun. So it's just a little capsule of probiotics. I personally could definitely use some probiotics. I really need to work on like the health of my innards. Ew. My inside gut health and things like that. I'm honestly really pumped to try this out. Also, the glass is glass because they are concerned about sustainability, so you can use this to get refills, which that is also really interesting. And then it comes with another little jar in here that says I got my back. I'm guessing you could use this if you're going like traveling or something. It's glass as well. Oh, and then this is also compostable. So this is super interesting, and I'm very intrigued on seeing how this is going to work out for me. The next item I'm seeing in here is from Tina Towels, and this looks like it's going to be maybe like a Turkish towel. Oh, towels suck. We're here to change that. Tina Towels are towels, but they're also scarves, shawls, blankets, throws, wraps, and more. Oh, that's really nice. They are made of 100% Turkish cotton, so let's go ahead and take a look-see at it. Oh, look-see daisy. Oh, it's really soft. Ooh, that's super nice. Sometimes when you get Turkish towels, they are a little bit like scratchy before you wash them and use them. But this one is already fairly soft and it has cute little tassels down here on the bottom. It's a couple of different shades of blue. This is super nice, and I'm sure it's a fairly large towel as well. I think one of you guys would really like this, so I'm going to include it in the giveaway as well. Ooh, okay, very excited. The next thing we have in here are from Bala, B-B-A/A. Oh my gosh, I think it is actually Bala. Okay, so this is from balabangles.com, and these are wearable weights. And the reason I'm really excited about this is because 2020, I'm gonna exercise. 2019 didn't exercise, 2018 didn't exercise, 16, 15. You get the trend here. So 2020, I'm gonna exercise. I'm getting myself an in-home little exercise trampoline. I'm gonna strap these things to my ankles and I'm gonna bounce until I feel healthy. These weights are pretty cool looking. Ooh, oh my gosh, I love the texture. I love the texture of silicone. I love how slippy and soft it is. So these weights are like little pods of silicone. It looks like you can adjust them to where they would be comfortable. And there's like stretchy elastic with Velcro, so you can strap it wherever you want to. I'm sure you could do like wrists or your ankles. I guess these would be great for like running, but let's be honest, no one wants to do that. But bouncing sounds like a good time to me. I think these would be the perfect addition to my future workout routine. And notice I'm saying future because right now, currently, it is December 26th. So that means I have like a full 5 days until I have to stop cramming food. Stop cramming food in my mouth and maybe, you know, exercise a little. So that means the entire 5-pound box of Twizzlers, all the Reese's that I got for Christmas, those gotta be gone in 5 days and I'm not throwing them out. So you know what that means. Anyway, exercise weights. I'm very excited about these. Thank you so very much, FabFitFun. Alright you guys, so that's everything in the little box that I had to show you all today. These were just a few of the items that are gonna be available during the winter edit sale, which they have just opened. So if you guys wanna go check out any of these items and much more, you can do that on the website. And also don't forget that if you would like to save some money on your very first FabFitFun box, you can use my code ALEXEDIT for $10 off your first box. And now for the giveaway, we're going to be giving away the Timeless Vitamin C Serum, the really cute little Tima towel, the Julep nail system, and the Lash Enhancing Serum. If I'm forgetting anything, please yell at me in the comments and I'll be sure to include it. If you guys would like to enter to win these items here, all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel, leave a comment down below letting me know what your favorite item from the edit sale is that I showed you guys today and that you would like to be entered, plus leave some way for me to contact you, Instagram, Twitter, which I have both of those things. I'll link them down below in the description. I have been tweetering it up recently and I actually like it. I didn't like Twitter before, but now it's a much easier way to keep in contact with you guys. Leave all that information down below if you would like to be entered. Then just make sure 18 years of age or older, or parent or guardian permission to let me, somebody who is obviously a stranger, just very strange, collect your address and then I send you a package. Anyway, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing. Oopsies. If you would not mind, it would mean the absolute world to me. And I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day and I'll see you all next time. Bye!